Welcome to today's SEO Insight. In this video, we are going to talk about content freshness, a ranking factor that can boost your visibility on search engines. You will learn what it means, why it is important, and how to keep your content fresh for better rankings. Content freshness refers to how recently and regularly your website content is updated. Search engines like Google value up-to-date information because it is more relevant and trustworthy for users. Fresh content signals to search engines that your site is active, relevant, and worth ranking. It helps you appear for trending topics, improves click-through rates, and maintain audience trust. Freshness can come from publishing new content, updating old articles, adding new sections or statistics, changing headlines or meta descriptions. Google's freshness algorithm favors content that is more recent for queries where date matters, like news, events, or trending topics. But for evergreen topic, quality is still the priority. If you are running a travel blog, updating last year's top 10 destination list with new photos, data, and tips can instantly improve rankings and clicks. Schedule regular audits for your website. Identify outdated posts, update statistics, refresh images, and ensure links still work. Even small tweaks can help. Use tools like Google Search Console, Google Analytics, SEMrush, or Ahref to track traffic drops and identify which pages need an update. Some people just change a date on the page to make it look new. That doesn't fool Google. You need to make meaningful updates that actually improve content value. Fresh content helps maintain rankings, improve user engagement, and increase the chances of being featured in Google Discover or top stories. Content freshness can give you a competitive edge. Start by auditing your old posts today and add updated info and watch your rankings grow. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.